We're not going to worry about the little ones. Yeah, they will. These will go for 3 years and you cut them back in late spring every year and they regenerate.
And what are
kale.
they? Kale.
So you don't have to regrow it every year, you just cut it down hard and it comes up fresh.
Right.
So you get it down.
Yeah.
I want you to come around here and watch everyone.
Yeah.
Put 4 fingers like this and just sort of push it down so you're stabilising that root and it won't move. I'll show you again. So you plonk it in, get the bottom roots to the bottom, sort of fill it in a bit and then use your 4 fingers and just sort of ram it a bit, leaving it slightly lower. Then when I have the water, there's the water, I'm going to pull this off.
Oh.
The worst thing you can possibly do is sprinkle it, because you're not going to water the roots and bond them into the soil. So this is called trickling in, and it's the first water you do. You do it from waist height, ideally, and you go in a circle, and you sort of use the gravity to bash the air out of that soil. But what you're actually doing is you're bonding those roots into the soil mix, so they're not sitting next to air, they've glued onto the soil. So if you get a hot day tomorrow, it won't suffer. Whereas if you don't do that and you water it with a sprinkler, the next day they'll all fry on a hot day, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So you go in a circle, just sort of, that's about right. See the bubbles coming up?
Yeah.
So that's the first water. Then later on in the day you can sprinkle them all you like.
So that's not just from water sitting there, it's from the water punching its way in.
You also, you know, like with a larger plant, when I plant it, I use my fingers in the same way, do the soil soft, and then I batter it down around, not too much, and then I put more soil, do it again, and then I'll even put the hose on full bore and like a jet. Because they can handle having no air next to their roots. You really want those roots really quickly to sort of find their place in that soil and glue onto the surrounding mix. Because that's how they take up nutrients, water, everything. It's that first water. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Right,
And
and
you doing that just made me think about seeds. And
Yeah.
that raised the question for me.
Fine.
Maybe a bit obvious. Can you put seeds in a wicking bed? You'd have to just keep watering them.
you do it seasonally. I mean, I do it at particular times of the year with carrots and just do a line of carrots. And just let them grow and come up when it
But they
gets
still
rain.
need to be, you'd need to do above water to get the seeds to germinate, and then they could get going.
You could do. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, the faster that the seedlings, I might as well plant the rest of them. Or does anyone else want to have a go? Who wants to have a go?
Of course we do.
Yeah, go on.